What's going on, everyone? Joseph Productions here. This is a two-part shoot. The overall theme of the shoot was supposed to be like post-apocalyptic because of the coronavirus, you feel me? It was loosely based on like Fallout and like The Last of Us, if y'all played those games. So this first part was like shot outside. The next part is shot inside in studio. So in this video you'll see how I use my high-speed sync flashes outside in daylight and how I can use lighting inside in studio. The gear I'm using is a Sony a7 III. I'm using a 24mm and a 50mm f1.4 from Sigma, and I'm using a Godox 8600. I'll explain what gear I'm using inside once I get to that part. I'm gonna be chiming in and out every now and then, just like explain what I'm doing. Otherwise, I'm just gonna let the feed roll. You might just stay on top of my camera so I can just see what I do. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like for the YouTube algorithm. Help me get out there a little bit. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe, because I'm gonna be doing videos like this more often. Stay safe, you feel me? And I'll talk to you guys later. Mwah.
Yeah, I like that.
Posing by herself,
She is maturing already.
We're just showing her poses behind my back. 3, 2, 1.
You said
I was counting down.
She
Like this. 3, 2, 1. Look off that way. Boom. That's good. 3, 2, 1. Come on, 3, 2, 1. Is that better?
Yeah. Me criticizing.
Focus to my middle. 3, 2, 1. Closer. 3, 2, 1. That's it. Move over here.
Look at the camera. Oh, wait. She like she is thugs for real. That's Brazil.
Take a look at me. Boom. Serving looks. What I tell you, have faith in your friends. Who's talking shit about you?
I
Talking
was
about,
never.
Talking about you ain't no model. You feel me? You suck.
I'm dead.
I'm kidding.
I ain't no model. Car coming.
You'll be fine.
They can go around.
Let's see how you just did when you like look back.
Oh, I like that. That's cute, babe.
Hold it.
Hold it.
This one's one background look brighter. That's good. So you gotta come back down. It's cute. 3, 2, 1. Look out that way. That's good. 3, 2, 1. Thank you for looking at me. 3, 2, 1.
So in this next part, we used backlights, and we used a projector as our key light. The original plan was to use my strobes, which didn't end so well because they're bright as shit, so I had to go all the way back to my car and get my LED lights. How I played it was I connected my phone to the projector using AirPlay, and I just downloaded an app to just like type. I can like change the type and all that. and I just started typing words like COVID-19 caution. I like repeated it so it could be like I kind of wanted like to look like something the police would do. Like this was kind of more based on Division. If y'all played Division, like the dark zones, how they got like the scrolling words and all that. And it came out amazingly. It came out way better than I anticipated.
That is so cute, babe. Okay, come on, finish.
So right here you can see how I was making the words and all that. I would type it and then save it, and then anything black doesn't show, so it'll just come, the words will just come up.
That red light is like so much. That is so cute, Joseph. Oh my god.
One thing I did kind of find to be like a slight issue is that you have to focus the projector as well. So I had my beautiful girlfriend assisting me, pulling focus on the projector to make sure the words were sharp on her, and I was pulling focus on my camera, and a lot of the shots were like missed because the words were blurry, and I wasn't really paying attention because I was paying attention to the lighting. Now here you can see me changing the colors, seeing which colors look good, and ultimately we decided on using yellow and red instead of blue and red. And I got down to get an angle because you could like see like the outline a little bit. So I got down at an angle and used it to my advantage to get some leading lines.
Me trying to angle it and move with you. Babe, that looks so good. You can see her eyes and her features more.
So we're getting to the last couple of shots here. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, share it with your friends if you want to show them, you feel me, some techniques to take good pictures. And I'll see y'all in the next video.
Rona.